Okay, Google. Talk to orientation and mobility trivia.
Welcome to O&M Trivia from the American Printing House. Do you want to start a one-player game on beginner difficulty?
Yes.
Let's begin. True or false? Only people who are totally blind use a white cane.
False.
Great job. That is correct. On to the next question. Which is biggest? 1. A pea. 2. A car. 3. A ball. Or 4. A bean.
2.
Great job. That is correct. On to the next question. What is producing this sound? 1. Bird. 2. Dog. 3. Lawnmower. Or 4. Car.
4.
Great job. That is correct. That was the last question. You got 3 correct answers out of 3. Thanks for playing.